Motor's almost ready to be pulled out.
T-minus 2 hours.
One bolt. 2 bolts down there, you know, so 1 and 2. Harness. Undo what's underneath, and that's about it. Look at how long this car is. Scrape all this shit open. Low life. Low life.
Got bricks.
Watch him get in the gym, he thinks he's innocent, but you know your son's a liar. Watch her develop while you trying to
One more thing, it's locked. Oh, nigga. Fucking parts of ass. Start throwing all this shit on the side.
That's how you feel about these parts, bro?
Nigga, they're not gonna be used again.
You don't have to drop them, dog.
And this stuff. It's big turbo time.
Why aren't they gonna be used again? Don't we have to put them back on?
It's called big turbo time, bro. Oh shit.
Everybody outside, wanna pull up outside all night, though. Everybody outside, everybody wanna slide, everybody wanna lie, that's nice, though. Oh, now you wanna
Thank you, sir. What's up? What? Yeah. SC Kings boys. Official. All black interior. I miss this car. Can't wait.
Put on the devil's neck to the ground.
This guy. Out she goes.
Hey, hold on. Let's show them low life.
Oh, low life.
Show off the low life.
Fucking scrape.
Nah, I mean.
The fuck open, flatten up. Who needs exhaust anyway, yo?
Oh shit, what did they hear? A reflector?
I don't even know what the hell that is from, bro. I don't know. But fuck it. Anybody need some fucked up SC300 exhaust?
John Morgan, 30 years, not fights against giants. The makers of unsafe products. Tobacco pharmaceutical companies. Pound Law. That's pound 529. Morgan, for the people.com. Oh, good it is.
Good? Yo, jack the car up and lower the whole front end. Because there's no going up now.
So careful, nigga.
Yeah, jack it up.
No metaphor, nothing like that. I'm keeping it straight to the point with you.
On the passenger floor.
This guy to the rescue.
Still love you, but I hate you.
Sucked out of a bed of a truck.
I'm sorry, did you say sucked out?
Like sucked out, bro.
Alex, come
What's up?
here. Hold this. Late night shenanigans.
Late night shenanigans, bro.
You fucking asshole.
Turns into early morning shenanigans.
No, the fuck it does not. This asshole wanted to get some fucking sleep.
This asshole.
This guy's the greatest guy right here.
Yeah, that's what you're saying now. You're gonna see me tomorrow and be like, fuck you, Julian.
Yeah, I'm gonna flick you off first.
Thanks
thing in
for
the
coming
morning.
by last night, though.
Anytime, buddy.
I'll call you next time I need you.
No, the fuck you won't.
It might move, but it ain't going nowhere.
It ain't coming out. That's all that matters if you ask me.
So what you doing about the tools, Alex?
I'm gonna pack up real quick.